the challenge I think in video is that a lot of platforms were built from sort of one or two foundations, one of two foundations. One is just a collection of open source projects, of which, by now are incredibly mature, FFmpeg,
Yep.
X264, X265, and there's a range of other projects, but they were built that way on general purpose compute. So it worked really well on the cloud, and you have a small engineering team. And over time, maybe the team got bigger, but you build it, you build it, you build it. The problem is that you're never going to have enough engineers. you know,
Always the
um,
problem. Yeah.
I learned this early on in the industry where, I used to assume, I won't say names, but, you'd approach some very large, media and entertainment company or a large cable company or a large, somebody. And I approach them with a perspective of like, you have this amazing engineering team. Who am I to even try? And I remember early on learning, they look back and went, yes, it's true. We have a very good engineering team. Yes, it's true. We have hundreds and hundreds or even thousands of engineers working on our platform. However, nobody is sitting there waiting for something to do.
Yeah.
Everybody is fully utilized and then some, you know, and so a lot of the platforms have been built that way. Or there was sort of the jump start of like, hey, we can utilize maybe some microservices on a public cloud. And over time, those microservices became even more capable, more integrated. And eventually you sort of could just buy, maybe not 100% of what you need, but 80%. And then you buy or you engineer the other 20%.
Exactly.